Welcome to Brain Vision.
Let's use a tree diagram to write out the chain rule. So we see that u is a function of two variables, x and y. So that'll start off our tree. And then we see x and y both depend on three variables, r, s, and t. So that'll be the tree diagram here. And we want to write out the chain rule here. So we have to look at the partial derivatives of u. So the first one will be du over dr. So one way to go from u to r is along this path here, and another one is along this path over here. So we have derivative of u with respect to x, and then derivative of x with respect to r. And similarly, the derivative with respect to y. So that's our first expression that's one of the derivatives using the chain rule. The next one, du over ds. So how do we go from u to s? You go ux, and then from x to s, or uy, y to s. So we'll just add those two together. And finally, we want the derivative of u with respect to t. So there's two ways to go from u to t, ux, xt, or uy, yt. So these are not twos, these are the curly d's, the curly operator for the partial derivative. So we've used the diagram to write out the chain rule for each case, and that's our answer.